This adorable plush toy makes for the perfect gift for any fan. They're sure to adore it. Whether it's for your kids, friends, or family, this Stitch plush toy is a delightful present. Measuring at a length of 30 cm, the Stitch plush toy is available in charming pink and blue hues. Crafted from high-quality plush and filled with soft cotton, it ensures a huggable and cozy experience. Designed with durability in mind, Stitch is made from sturdy plush material and features high-quality PP cotton filling. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply use a small amount of soap and water to remove stains and let it air dry naturally. This plush toy is both lovable and easy to maintain.